Kansas City up there.
Kansas Speedway over somewhere.
What's the only thing? Oh yeah, hey, Kansas Speedway. What that be for? What kind of cars? Like dirt.
Is that Volvo S60 or 80?
The Pumper Speedway, it's fine speedway, oval track, oval track car, track NASCAR-y kind of thing.
That's an S60.
Nice speedway.
2-litre turbo, all-wheel drive.
I've got Volvo. Yeah, I've got S40.
4 meetings for that.
That'll be the one with the 4-cylinder engine, though, not the
Yeah, it's
G5, 2.5.
2-litre diesel I've got, yeah.
Miles since they won anything.
No, that one back there, S60 2-litre turbo, that'd be a 4-cylinder.
Yeah.
Probably the same T4 engine that they put in the S40.
Be careful, Smokies round